Warahmatullah. So today is another day when me and Bilal, we are extracting the honey out of all these hives that you can see in my background. Taha, atmos kya hai? Wow, wonderful. Yeah, as you can see, this looks marvelous. You can see the amount of bees on this one. There are bees everywhere, and I hope I'm not getting bitten today. Shit. Oh. Another day, and I have been bitten another time. I think I have been bitten on my fingers and on the back of my head. You can see the stinger here. Let me tell you something very fascinating. You see this honeycomb here? Now, there are two parts of this honeycomb. This is the sealed part, and this is not sealed yet. Honey is stored in both parts, but the sealed part here that you can see, this is a sort of quality mark from the bees, which signifies that this honey is ready to be eaten, and this honey can be stored not only for years but for centuries. And also, no air can enter this one particular honeycomb. So yeah, it looks quite fascinating. It is quite interesting that these hexagonal honeycombs, perfectly hexagonal honeycombs, as you can see, does not fascinate us. Now the question is, why the hexagonal shapes? Why do the bees choose these hexagonal shapes out of any shape in this world? The answer is very simple. First of all, this is the most efficient type of packing that these bees do in their combs. And second of all, this requires very less amount of building material as compared to any other shape, and also the internal volume of the comb is maximized. So yeah, this whole thing is quite fascinating. Now you see how wonderful this one particular frame looks. It's quite heavy as well. I believe there is about more than 2 kgs of honey on this one. Now we have not taken the honey out of some beehives today. It's because there was not much honey in it, and there will be no food for these bees for the winters. As I can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames which seem to be full of honey, but 5 frames are totally empty. So we have not taken any honey out of this one particular hive. We'll see whether we can take the honey out of this one hive in the spring season. I hope so. We're going to leave it as it is. Do you see the amount of honey here? This is the organic honey I'm talking about. Beautiful, huh? Now this is the time when we are going to taste some of it. Let's give it a try. Believe me when I say it, there is nothing delicious than the pure organic honey.